Would you like to learn English while listening to a story? Let's see what happens to a brave little leaf. Once upon a time, there was a small green leaf on a big tree. Repeat. Once upon a time, there was a small green leaf on a big tree. The little leaf said, I want to see the world outside my tree. Repeat. I want to see the world outside my tree. The wind was gentle. I'm a little scared, but I will try. The leaf declared, I'm a little scared, but I will try. Repeat. Gently, the leaf dropped off the tree. It gazed down at the garden while floating in midair. Say it again. It looked down at the garden while floating in the air. There was a butterfly on the leaf. Hello, butterfly, it said. Could I follow you? Say it again. Hi, butterfly. Could I follow you? Yes, little leaf. The butterfly said, join me. Yes, little leaf. Repeat, bring along me. The leaf glided across small streams, ponds, and flowers. It exclaimed, wow, the world is so vast and lovely. Say it again. Wow, the world is so vast and lovely. I'm a little scared, but I will try, say alongside me. The world is so vast and lovely. Indeed, little leaf, join me. The courteous little leaf discovered that it's safe and enjoyable to explore new things. Say it again. It's safe and enjoyable to try new things. Be brave at all times and explore the world. Always be brave and explore the world. Say again. Keep in mind that speaking and trying makes English easier. Say it again. Speaking and trying makes English easier. The little leaf will meet a little raindrop the next time. Remember to hit the bell and subscribe if you want to learn more English every day.